Well, that was a very dramatic entrance. I would say so myself. But this is my engine. Do you remember in the last video I did a 2-cylinder engine with valves? Actually, no, I did a different engine with valves, except they were sideways. This is a dual overhead cam valve engine. Straight 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 repeaters. A good timer. 6. These are all timed properly. So these here are the valves. These ones here. Oh, that's the top of the valve. These valves here, pistons. They're moving really, really quick. They look like they're stopped, but they're actually moving really, 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 really fast. And on top here, spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The order is 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Yeah, that's right. I'll just go back a little bit so anybody who wants to build this engine can. So let's just angle it right. So there you go. It took me an hour and a half to build this engine, trial and error. The only thing I would say, it is very noisy, so let me give you a demonstration of how noisy it is. We're right beside one of the valves. That's very noisy. The first one over here. Sorry. The first set over here are the intakes. And the second set over there are the exhaust. And they're going really, really, really quick. I mean really quick. So we just turn that down again. Yeah. A lot of wire was taken in place. I'd show you underneath, but at the minute there's nothing really underneath it yet. I'm going to build a thing called the sump, which stores the oil pretty much, for those who don't know much about engines on this. Any viewers who don't know much about engines, it's a place where oil is stored pretty much. There's not much else I can really say about this, except it took me an hour and a half to build it, with the trial and error. Tomorrow I'm going to be away most of Halloween, so there may not be a video up over Halloween. What else? May get one up tomorrow before I leave. I'm going to my friend's house for a few days. But no, next video will be a vehicle simulator video, and that is using my Thrustmaster joystick. So yeah. If you're wondering how I built if you're wondering how I built an engine with valves, go to my other videos. So yeah, subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you lot later.